Smart Money Nation, what's up? I'm back at you with another video. This video is really going to be a little more in-depth video about a previous video that I did regarding online notary, how to make money as a notary public right online from the comfort of your own home. I promised I would go deeper into some of the platforms that you can utilize to make some money, so I'm gonna go further into that. But before we get started, as always, if you're not a part of the nation, please hit the red subscribe button, join us. If you are already subscribed, please hit the notification button so you can be notified anytime that I drop a video like this one, or even if I go live, you'll get notification. If you haven't seen some of my previous videos, go to my YouTube channel, Smart Money Nation, and you will find different playlists on topics such as making money online, business credit, personal credit, as well as forex trading. So anything within those topics, if you're interested in any of that, just go ahead, check out some of my older videos. Let's get started with this particular video. So today I'm going to go over the top 10 online notary services and platforms that you can utilize to make up to $100 a day just doing notary jobs right online, right? So in this video, I'm going to assume you already have your commission. You're commissioned as a notary public in your state. We went over that. You can check the previous video for that one. So these are the different platforms that you would need to sign up with to get started. So the top 10 that you see here are One Notary. That's the number one ranked one. You have Notarize, Doc Verify, DocuSign, SignX, Online Notary, Sign Now, Notary Cam, Safe Docs, and Nexus. Okay. So I'm gonna link this particular post in the description below, as always, so you can go right to it when you get a chance. Let's go over One Notary. One Notary, they charge about $25 for a single document to get notarized, and $6 for each additional document. So you can expect to get majority of that fee. There is a fee that they charge. So they take their cut, and you'll get a majority of that fee. So the pros here is they're easy to use, end-to-end encryption, and then they have guides and resources that you can use to kind of get yourself up to speed on how to use the platform. Not only this one, but majority of the platforms. So that's the breakdown of that one. The second one is Notarize. Notarize, as you can see, the fees are pretty much the same across the board, so they got to be more competitive with each other. These are platforms that compete with each other, so you would definitely want to sign up for all of these. Okay, so don't just sign up for one and not sign up for the others. Sign up for all of them so you are getting notified when there are jobs on each one, and that's going to be a way for you to be able to maximize your earnings as an online notary public. So the same thing here, it's $25 for the first page that needs to be notarized, and $10 for each one after. The last one we saw was $6 for each one after, but it's pretty similar. Now the third one, Doc Verify. Yep. So they have a monthly package too, but as far as the pricing, it's about $25 for this one as well. And then DocuSign, which is probably the most notable company on this list. I'm sure everybody's familiar with DocuSign by this point. They also have subscription packages, and this is not for you. This would be for somebody or companies that's getting loads of documents that needs to be notarized. So they're pretty much similar in fees. SignX, $10 for each notary, so they're a little cheaper, right? So you see here it's a bit cheaper. The basis of this is that you would want to go to each one of these, sign up for each one of them, create your profile, write your bio, upload a nice professional picture, and get started. Start building a resume or a history of work on each one of these platforms. And then using all of them so you can leverage every single one of these to be able to make $100+ a day just doing notaries from the comfort of your own home. So That about wraps it up. You can go over this list. I'll leave the description, leave the link in the description below. You can go over this list yourself, pull up each one of these websites, sign up as a Notary Public on each one of these platforms, and get started with them as soon as you can. Again, I'm assuming you already have your Notary Public commission in your particular state. If not, go back to one of my previous videos and you will see how to go ahead and get that done. Okay, so that's about it. That wraps it up. I will catch you guys in another separate video. As always, be sure to check onto my YouTube channel to see other videos on how to make money online and offline, how to build your personal credit as well as build your business credit. I have great videos about that. I have tons and tons of videos now, and it's growing daily. I drop 3 videos every day on these particular topics, so make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed, and if you are subscribed, please hit that notification bell so you are notified anytime I drop. So if you got some value out of this video, please hit that like button for me, and as always, share it with somebody that you value. Don't hold it to yourself. I will see you in the next video.